What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be rolling in my fenders because, as you can see right up in here, it's been scraping, and I was originally told it wouldn't with the size tire we had, so obviously got some bad information, but ordered one of these off of eBay and it just came in today, so we're gonna see how good of a job it does. First, we're gonna start off by taking off the center caps with the Allen wrench, about 5, and then remove that so that we can get this lip out of the way and get the lugs off. Once we get the wheel off, we can bolt this up just like we would with a rim, and then I'll show you the rest in a minute. Okay, so that was kind of a hassle. So we finally got the tire and the wheel off, and
tire and the wheel.
Well, the rim. But I upgraded to fatter tires in the back because, I mean, who doesn't like some fatties in the back? And it's kind of hard to get out now. So, but it looks good, which is why we're doing this right here, because it looks good, but it sucks.
Yeah, just
so the goal is we gotta mount this over these right here, like that. Secure those, and it's gonna roll up and down up inside this fender well. And we're just gonna get this lip and roll it in. That way this lip will not touch and rub anywhere on that tire. It shouldn't, at least, because when you get the car and you're going at a higher speed and you put it into a curb, it rolls the whole body across the top of the frame and it nicks it. So get it hooked up and see how it goes. Figure out where a structurally sound spot is. That looks structurally sound.
Oh, hello, kitty.
Alright, we're gonna see how this goes very slowly.
I'm gonna use my adjust. Not very slowly.
See if you can see it. See what? Look. Ah, it's the tail of my. I feel like it's gonna come off.
Yeah, I guess we'll know if it does.
Dang.
Sorry, bud.
I don't feel comfortable with that. I'm gonna do it again. Alright, gonna slide it forward. Like that. Let's see what that does. This always like scares me because like every car is different.
Mine is?
No, every car is different.
Oh.
On where you're supposed to jack it up at.
Oh God, you cat just scared the crap out of me. Whoa.
Here we go again.
Take 2.
Okay, it's like you go to Carowinds and you get on the wooden ride and it's like as it goes up, it's like, dang, we're gonna die today.
Yeah, just about. I mean, but the wooden ones are like the more fun though, because they hurt more and bump around more.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. They bump around more.
They're not more fun.
Yes, they are.
They hurt.
This is some solid at-home car work. I hate ordering stuff online. Well, you say you got the thing over here and it's just dangling.
Look, this mounts right here. That's where it's supposed to mount to. And if you hit it, it comes up here. So like.
So you messed up.
I did not mess up. I ordered the right thing.
I think you messed up.
I think I'm gonna punch you.
That's fun. It's not gonna hurt.
Let's see what this does.
I thought you were supposed to be a car mechanic. I wonder what this does. Oh, and that started the car. I'll take this off. Oh, well, now my tire axle's gone.
I never had a tire axle in the first place.
What?
Tire axle?
Yes.
What is that?
I don't know at the moment because I'm really tired.
In a minute, I'm gonna send you up to O'Reilly's and get some blinker fluid because I'm running.
Blinker fluid.
If I worked at O'Reilly's, I would legit do that. I'd bring a bottle to work every day.
Just some blinker
in
fluid
case.
on it.
Yeah.
Take a coolant bottle and just take the sticker off of it and just write blinker fluid on the front.
I don't know if that's gonna work. That might work. It might have done the trick.
You don't understand how short my arms are.
These, on a serious note, these are supposed to like help seat the old fudge.
Help the seat the old fudge?
Yeah. New problem.
We don't have any fudge.
I have a special type of lug nut. I forgot what they call them. ET lug nuts, and that helps seat the rim so that you don't damage a rim that is aluminum. So if you got an aluminum rim resting on a lug that is steel, eventually it'll eat it up inside. So that's what that little lip is for. It seats over it and protects the rim. So it's literally gonna be sitting like that. That's not good. Gotta go get some other lug nuts. And we'll be right back from a short break from our sponsor.
Hey, welcome back, guys. We got the R32. Well, the thing is, it was drilling. It was Ford. You put real gunshot.
Right, it's gotta be real.
Bang! Like the two-step.
Okay, so I meant to mention earlier that through the vast amount of information that I've gathered from the World Wide Web, we have to use a heat gun. I got this one from eBay, and it helps fill the metal ridge up with some heat, which helps soften the metal, which, I mean, reduces your chances of cracking something and
Nothing else, yeah.
yeah. But I mean, that's a disclaimer with this stuff, is you're gonna crack the paint most likely. So I mean, mine's already starting to crack right here. That's just one thing that you're gonna have to fix later, but you're preventing a ripped tire going down the interstate. So yeah, we fill this up. This heat gun is 1500 watts, 12.5 amps. I mean, if you want to go check that out, go check it out in eBay. If I can, I'll put the link in the description. I gotta figure out how to do that first, but yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Set my heart on fire.
There's just some spots where it really is not getting very well. Like the top part, since it's not a full circle, it was going above this lip right here. So I had to do that with a ball peen hammer and heat gun, as you saw. Right in here, you can't really, it's really hard to get up. Right, if in this lip, if it'll focus.
Put a car because the lighting.
There we go. Slip right here. You can see it's pretty flat from where I got it down. And then you get right up in here and it levels back out. That's because of the curvature in the metal. It's literally got to flex or it will not bend because it's so tight right in here. So I mean, what I was thinking about doing is maybe making a slit right here. That way it'll release the pressure and that way it'll roll. But the tire doesn't really get close to right here. We're just mainly worried right here at the top. So I think it turned out pretty successful. So we'll do the other side tomorrow and hopefully we won't have any more scrubbing problems. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if you enjoyed watching Will fall in the background, and subscribe.